Hi guys, it's Mrs. Barry. Happy Monday. I'm in my pajamas, um, helping celebrate social distancing Spirit Week. So I just wanted to explain today's lesson to help you guys. We are going to be continuing with the Read 180 program. We're just going to be doing it for home. So there's two things I want you to do today. So first, you will be going on the student application, Read 180, for 25 minutes, like we do every Monday. And then we do our small group lesson. So here is our small group lesson. Our goal today is to describe the cause and effect of structure, ideas, concepts, and information in a text. Our language goals is to use academic words such as cause and effect to answer questions about how a text is organized. So even though we're not speaking to each other or having a class discussion, we want to use those academic words in writing. Remember to capitalize the beginning of sentences and put periods at the end of sentences as well. We want to make sure that we are writing in complex, clear sentences. So here is drought report. I typed up the lesson. We read this story twice in class. Okay, so here's the page about causes of droughts. Here's the page about effects of droughts. These numbers correlate to which paragraph? So, identify text structure. A cause is the reason something happens. An effect is what occurs as a result. There can be multiple causes of an effect. Similarly, there can be multiple effects resulting from a cause, right? Here's an example. Water becomes polluted. The effect, that water cannot be used for drinking. Okay, so here is the chart, and I want you guys to identify the cause and effects. So I highlighted in yellow where you're supposed to be writing. So the directions are enter the missing causes and effects in the boxes below. 1 to 3 highlighted boxes. So here's the example. Sometimes a region gets less precipitation. A drought results. And you put the paragraphs where that direct evidence from. So here, tens of thousands of families abandoned their ruined homes and farms and moved elsewhere. Paragraph 8. So you should look in paragraph 8 and find the cause in that paragraph. Okay? Now this one is in paragraph 4. So number 4, for this one, in paragraph 4, we have the cause. So I want you to go to that paragraph 4, and find the effect in that paragraph. And then the same thing with paragraph 7. They give us the cause. What is the effect that they give us, the author gives us in paragraph 7? Then we're going to be working on our writing skills. So I want you to take two of these and combine them in one sentence. And we combine sentences by using subordinating conjunctions or coordinating conjunctions. So since, and you're going to finish the sentence. And then, so you would put since, the cause, then a comma, and then a period. This, you would put the cause, a comma, which leads to, and then the effect, and a period. And that's it. If you guys have any other questions, please let me know. Please remember to do your student application on Read 180, since you will still be getting a technology grade. And that's it. I hope you guys have a great day.